Where does stress come from? By Carlos Daniel Garcia Jaramillo, English Stress, Group 336. Stress physical, stress psychologist, stress from the family environment, stress from the friend environment, stress from work environment, stress cause itself, stress physical, stomach damage. This is a cause of stress and this happens because sometimes we eat more than we should and our stomach ends up feeling us expressing its pain. Did you like it or did not like? Stress psychologist. This cause of stress arises through a manifestation of an emotion and falling in love with someone and not knowing if it's reciprocated or not can cause strong stress in both men and women. Stress from the family environment. A family conflict. This type of stress arises when both members of the same family argue over issues that are often irrelevant to their parents but often very important to some young people. The conflict is generated by a great difference in age and maturity. Since in this case the mother wants to protect while the daughter wants not to be bothered or told what to do. Stress from the friend environment, friends losing an exam. This type of stress can arise in an hypothetical case when you are blindly trusting the wisdom of your friend and he solved the whole exam and both of you lose it. Work overload, stress from the work environment. Stress in the work environment can arise from being a reliable person, but you don't know how to say no to your boss request. So he or she delegates responsibilities to you even more than necessary. Uh, you think I can handle all that, but then heaviness due to the frequency in which the situation happens. Also, when you have great responsibility, you will find that others who are your delegates and they make mistakes that may represent economic problems, causing the work stress. The stress of life itself. We are killing ourselves from my point of view because of the political parties difference are created in our nation besides some are better than others. We forget the similarities and only see violence and disasters, which causes a large number of deaths, clashes, local displacement, New just creates psychological stress in people, causing useless discussions that generate more stress. Thanks for your attention.